Welcome to Sky Citizen Travels, your ultimate destination for all things travel. In today's video, we are looking at 12 best things to do in Istanbul, Turkey. This city is a place where continents and cultures collide. We're talking ancient Roman ruins rubbing shoulders with grand Ottoman mosques, bustling bazaars echoing with the calls of traders hawking their wares, and the aroma of Turkish delight and strong coffee filling the air. In this video, we're going to dive into the 12 best things to do in Istanbul. We'll explore the city's rich tapestry of history, art, and culture, from iconic landmarks to hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Whether you're a history enthusiast, a foodie, or simply seeking adventure, Istanbul has something for everyone. So pack your bags, grab your walking shoes, and get ready to experience the magic of Istanbul with us. From the grandeur of the Hagia Sophia to the vibrant energy of the Grand Bazaar, Istanbul promises an unforgettable journey. Let's get started. Picture this, a massive dome seemingly suspended in midair, bathed in golden light from ancient windows. That's the Hagia Sophia, one of the most impressive buildings on Earth. Built by Emperor Justinian in the 6th century, this church-turned-mosque-turned-museum is a marvel of engineering. Inside, towering marble columns, intricate mosaics, and a sense of awe await you. Wander through the space, soaking in the atmosphere. Before you leave, admire the exterior. The massive buttresses speak to the ingenuity of its architects. Trust me, this is a sight you won't forget. Just a stone's throw from the Hagia Sophia, you'll find another Istanbul icon, the Blue Mosque. Built in the 17th century by Sultan Ahmet I, this mosque isn't actually blue, at least not on the outside. Its nickname comes from the exquisite blue Iznik tiles that adorn the interior, creating a sea of calming color. Once inside, appreciate the mosque's grand scale and intricate designs. Listen closely, and you might hear the melodic chants of the muezzin calling the faithful to prayer. Get ready to step back in time at Topkapi Palace, the heart of the Ottoman Empire. This palace was the seat of power for Ottoman sultans, bursting with history and architectural splendor. Don't miss the treasury, home to dazzling Ottoman jewels and the legendary Topkapi dagger. Visit the harem, the private quarters of the sultan's family. Enjoy the panoramic views of the Bosphorus from the palace gardens. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to dive into the vibrant chaos of the Grand Bazaar, one of the oldest and largest covered markets in the world. This labyrinth of over 4,000 shops is a feast for the senses, a place where you can find everything from spices and carpets to ceramics and Turkish delight. Be prepared to haggle. Bargaining is part of the fun here, so don't be afraid to negotiate for a good price. And don't forget to bring your sense of adventure. Get lost in the maze of narrow streets, soak in the sights and sounds of this bustling marketplace, and maybe even pick up a souvenir or two. Remember, half the fun of the Grand Bazaar is the experience itself. So relax, enjoy the ride, and see where the winding alleys take you. Okay, travelers, get ready to descend into the cool, mysterious depths of Istanbul's Basilica Cistern. This ancient underground reservoir, built by the Byzantines in the 6th century, is a hidden gem that will transport you back in time. As you walk along the elevated walkways, listen closely, and you'll hear the soft drip, drip, drip of water, a sound that's echoed through these chambers for over 1,500 years. Hundreds of ancient columns, salvaged from ruined Roman temples, support the cistern's vaulted ceiling, creating an atmosphere that's both eerie and awe-inspiring. Don't miss the two Medusa heads that serve as column bases at the far end of the cistern. No one knows for sure why they're there, but their presence adds to the mystique of this subterranean marvel. For the best views in Istanbul, folks, look no further than the Galata Tower. This 14th century tower, built by the Genoese, dominates the Istanbul skyline and offers breathtaking panoramic views of the city and the Bosphorus. As you climb the tower's spiral staircase, or take the elevator if you prefer, think about the countless others who have made this same ascent over the centuries, from Ottoman watchmen to curious travelers just like you. Once you reach the top, take a deep breath and soak in the 360-degree views. You'll see the golden horn shimmering in the sun, the minarets of countless mosques piercing the sky, and the bustling streets of Istanbul spread out before you like a colorful tapestry. It's a sight that will stay with you long after you've descended back down to earth. Now, for a different perspective on this magnificent city, let's hop aboard a Bosphorus cruise. As you glide along the waterway that divides Europe and Asia, feel the gentle breeze in your hair and watch as Istanbul unfolds before your eyes. You'll pass by Ottoman palaces, charming waterside villages, grand bridges connecting two continents, and maybe even spot a few dolphins playing in the waves. Keep your camera handy to capture the iconic sights from a unique angle, like the silhouette of the Hagia Sophia against the setting sun, or the Bosphorus Bridge illuminated at night. A Bosphorus cruise is a relaxing and unforgettable way to experience the beauty and grandeur of Istanbul from a whole new perspective. Get ready to tickle your senses at the Spice Bazaar, Istanbul's aromatic wonderland. This covered market, dating back to the 17th century, is a riot of colors, scents, and sounds that will transport you to another world. As you wander through the stalls, breathe in the intoxicating aromas of spices from around the globe: cinnamon, saffron, cumin, paprika, and countless others. You'll also find Turkish delight in every flavor imaginable: dried fruits, nuts, teas, coffee, and traditional Turkish sweets. Don't be afraid to sample the goods and chat with the friendly vendors. They're a wealth of information about their products and the history of this vibrant market. Prepare to be dazzled by the sheer opulence of Dolmabahce Palace, the last and most lavish palace built by the Ottoman sultans in the 19th century. This stunning palace, located on the European shores of the Bosphorus, blends traditional Ottoman architecture with European influences, creating a truly unique and breathtaking spectacle. As you tour the palace's lavish rooms, adorned with crystal chandeliers, silk carpets, and gold leaf, imagine the grand balls and state dinners that once took place within these walls. Don't miss the palace's magnificent gardens, which offer stunning views of the Bosphorus, or the Crystal Staircase, a masterpiece of engineering and design. Now let's visit another architectural masterpiece, the Süleymaniye Mosque. Commissioned by Sultan Süleyman the Magnificent in the 16th century, this mosque is a testament to the power and artistry of the Ottoman Empire. As you admire its graceful domes, soaring minarets, and elegant courtyard, take a moment to appreciate the mosque's peaceful atmosphere. Step inside and you'll be greeted by a sense of tranquility and grandeur. The mosque's interior is bathed in soft light filtering through stained glass windows, illuminating the intricate calligraphy and tilework. Before you leave, take a stroll through the mosque's peaceful gardens, home to the mausoleums of Sultan Süleyman and his wife, Hürrem Sultan. Ready to experience the pulse of modern Istanbul? Then hop on the historic Tunnel, one of the oldest underground railways in the world, and get ready to explore Istiklal Street. This pedestrianized street, located in the Beyoğlu district, is a vibrant mix of shops, cafes, restaurants, bookstores, art galleries, and historic buildings. Stroll down the street, soaking in the sights and sounds of this bustling thoroughfare. Grab a Turkish coffee or tea and watch the world go by, or browse the shops for souvenirs and unique finds. In the evening, Istiklal Street comes alive with music and entertainment, making it the perfect place to experience the city's vibrant nightlife. For our final stop, we're venturing a bit off the beaten path to the Chora Church, a hidden gem that's home to some of the most exquisite Byzantine mosaics in the world. Built in the 6th century and later decorated with breathtaking mosaics in the 14th century, the Chora Church offers a glimpse into the artistic brilliance of the Byzantine era. Step inside and you'll be transported back in time as you admire the intricate mosaics depicting scenes from the life of Christ and the Virgin Mary. The level of detail and artistry is simply astounding. The Chora Church is a true testament to the enduring power of art and a fitting end to our Istanbul adventure. Well, folks, there you have it. 12 incredible experiences that will make your trip to Istanbul unforgettable. From the historical wonders of the Hagia Sophia to the vibrant energy of the Grand Bazaar, Istanbul truly has something for everyone. We hope this video has inspired you to pack your bags and discover the magic of this incredible city for yourself. And remember, travel is about more than just checking sites off a list. It's about immersing yourself in new cultures, trying new things, and last a lifetime. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. Share it with your travel buddies, and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and inspiration. Until next time, happy travels!